guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this T10 wireless remote control. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So again, I have here a T10 remote controller for a GoPro 8, 9, 10, and a GoPro Max. So it's very compatible for those GoPros. Okay. So, but again, this is about $32 Canadian, and I just bought this one in Amazon. And again, we just do a unbox, and again we're gonna try to link this one on my GoPro and we'll see. Okay, so there you go, guys. So again, I'm gonna try this one here. We'll see. Oops. Or here, that one here. Okay, so but again, this is one thing I like to buy this GoPro remote controller, because you know I'm going to vlog it, and I'm gonna go for travel. And again, it's really nice one, guys. Look at that. So again, this is the remote control, and it comes with like a rubber materials for, it's gonna be safety for if you're gonna order. So yeah, this is it. It's very small. It looks like same as the previous GoPro controller. And again, this is a made in China and start remote. Yeah, smart remote. What's in here? We'll see. So they have this strap. There you go. And then again, just put it here, and you can put it on your wrist if you want to. And then I think this is the cable. There you go. So there's a cable here. So one thing it's different is they have the different connector for the back, and it's a magnetic. And by the time they're going to, for example, you reverse it, it doesn't connect that way, so it should be that way. And yeah, it's connected then, and then plug it in your any of your USB adapter, and then plug it in. So anyway, yeah, so again, I'm gonna try this one to turn it on, and we'll see if how it looks like. There you go. So it's beautiful. It's really nice. You have the camera. Want some mode? If you want some mode settings here, and we're gonna connect this one to our GoPro, right? So we'll check that one. So again, I have this GoPro 9, and I'm gonna try that one. I got a battery here. I'm gonna try to turn it on. So what we're gonna do now here is that we are going to sync this one on the camera. So simple. All you have to do is to swipe down, go here, connection, connect device, remote. There you go. That's quick. There you go. So it's very quick, guys, you know. So one thing I like this one here, it's gonna be easy for you to sync your remote to your GoPro. And again, yeah, it's really good. And again, we're gonna try this one here. We're gonna try to film. I can try to film here. yeah, there you go. So again, it works, right? And then what you're gonna do is just stop. That's it. So again, for the price on this remote, I think it's really okay, you know. And again, impression for this remote for 32 bucks, not bad, not bad. So if you're going to do for go for vlogging and then you just need for remote, I think this is really okay. And all you have to do is to put a rest strap if you want to, or just hold it, whatever, and then do film, right? It's gonna be nice, and just do film, and then you're just holding the remote. But I think it's really good already, you know. So, but again, I just got this one from Amazon, and yeah, so far so good. I have no problem with this. Instead of buying an expensive one, then if there's a third party, I know that this is a third party, and I like this brand is because T10 is very reliable for me. You know, and I have lots of products from them that it's really good product, no issue, and I have a multiple what is that, a charging dock from them, and I have no problem so far. But again, I just put this one on the link below, so if you want to buy, you can buy it and just go on that link, so it will go right away to Amazon if you want to buy one of this. And yeah, so that's my impression. It's really good to me. I have no problem, no issue. I hope if you like it, then just comment below if you need some help or some whatever. But so far so good. And again, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded. And I have lots of videos here on my channel, so I hope you can watch. And I have unboxing on this channel, so I hope you enjoy. And again, thank you so much for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day. Some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. Don't die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble.